What is this? I have a circuit again here. Push the button, it will light. Push the button, the other one light. Push both the button. So this one is a switch one. Input 1, input 2, and then the output is there, the green one. Push the button 1, push the button 2, push both the button. See? It's an AND gate again. Let us see the circuit here. So I have the double supply. Switch button 1 goes to the ground. This one's LED 1. Another one goes here to push button and to the LED 2. This also the current goes here to the base of the first transistor with the resistance here, and then the output, I'm taking the output here at the emitter side, and this one also the current flows here to the switch, to the base resistor, then to the emitter, then to the other transistor, and to the ground. And also the circuit goes here, but since this is open, there's no current flowing in the base, so I'm trying to build an AND gate here. When you push the button here, the current goes here, and this one base resistor to the ground, but there's no current flowing here because the push button here is open. There's no current flows here. Collector current is open. So when you push the button also here, and then here, current goes here, flows here. There's a light here, the output it is making the LED turn on when you push the button, because the current flows here to the base, and also there's a current flows here, goes here, and short circuiting the transistor here and making the light here on. Should not be on. So I decided to put that resistor here at the emitter side, 500 ohms, which is smaller than this output resistor here. So when you push the button, current flows here, and this one, and then goes to the ground instead of going output here, because an AND gate function is when you push the button both, current flows here and goes here, conducting the transistor to saturation period, saturation state, flows here. So there's a light here just like this one. Push the button left. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, something wrong here. Oh, this one. What's wrong? Yes, this one. Push button left, push button right. Input 1, input switch 2 on. If you push the button both, there's an output. Push button 1, no output. Push button 2, no output, both. So it's an AND gate. Just like this one, the truth table here shows that an AND gate. This one, the truth table here. Now pushing the button, 0, pushing one button, still 0, pushing one button, 0. If you both push the button, there's an output 1 here. So I think this circuit is good. I calculated everything here, the value of resistor, base resistor, till current limiting resistor of the LED, R1, R2, R5, R4, R3, using the datasheet of the transistor, and then using Ohm's law, and then using Kirchhoff's voltage loop or Maxwell mesh method. I have so many magicians I use in building the circuit. See, there's no more negative resistance here, reverse voltage happening when you push the button here because of the resistor here. See, it goes to the ground. Or if there's a negative resistance here, it goes like here into the ground instead of here. There's no more resistance. Negative resistance. I think this is a very stable circuit. Let's try to find out. Thank you. Nice.